Here is the green bean trellis mixed with some morning glories. I just like putting those morning glories in with the veggies. Just give it that pop. And the arch trellis. And we got a trombone squash hanging out right here, securely fastened. He is 2.5, 3 feet. Got another one over here, the other side. It's hanging out. He's a good 18 inches. And then I've got a couple in front here. I got some green beans up in here. Nice. Sam? Elliot? You want to come in the garden? No? All right then.